keep the place clean. These little bits right here, I just put them in my back pocket. Oh, and they're, I don't know if you heard that, but I tore my pants a little bit. So this film is either old or was damaged when they were working on it. So that's why we're replacing it. Let's see here. Go. Start wetting down here. I like to use paper towels when I'm doing removals, especially removals like this with the adhesive and whatnot, so that I don't dirty up my microfiber towels, because these will, that adhesive right there will build up in the towels, and maybe the one towel will get clean, but you know, you have a possibility of that adhesive just going on the rest of the towels when you know, throw them all in the wash. So I try to keep my microfiber towels clean by not introducing contaminations like that. This is a brand new blade. All I'm doing is just scraping off the old adhesive. Especially on removals, I change blades regularly. All right. See if we can catch a corner and get lucky. I don't want to scrape, I just want to pull this off. I'll scrape adhesive later, but let's try to raise the blade. And I'm doing here, I'm just peeling the corner and trying to get it started. There we go. There you go. And it wants to separate. You see the two pieces right here? One piece here, second piece here. So try to keep those two pieces together. Or else something like that could happen. Screw it. Better to be up here than down at the bottom. Down at the bottom makes it a lot harder. You gotta clean a lot more. I'll scrape this up here, no problem, all day long. Okay, so this glass now has adhesive on it. I took the film off, but it has adhesive on it. You can feel it. If you put your hand on it and it sticks, you can feel that there's adhesive. So make sure to wet it down. And if you need to, you can even pull back the seal and wet it. That way, that's not gonna get caught. The seal's not gonna get caught when you roll up and down the window. All right, new blade coming in. All right, then we pull out the big guns. There it is. So this is the Titan tool. It's the same thing as this tool, but this gives you a lot more leverage. So either wear sunglasses or be aware of how much pressure you're putting on so you don't break the glass. But notice this, see how much more control I have, how much faster it is. I can use both my hands. And again, this is a new 1-inch razor. And this is worst case scenario. This is scraping windows. Not something you always want to do. It does happen from time to time though. This is why I charge. I never ask how long the tint has been on there, because most of the time people don't know, but I ask how old the car is, because that's usually an indicator of how long the tint's been on there. And when you're over 7 to 10 years old, within that 7 to 10 year range, you're almost guaranteed to having to scrape. So this window's pretty much clean. I'm gonna do it one more time. Real light on the edge, top edge, just so I don't dull my blade. Notice I'm lifting up. I'm lifting up. I go down, I lift the blade up, I put it back on, I go back down again. If this wasn't a removal, then I would keep the blade just flat against the glass. But I'm lifting up so I'm pushing everything so towards the bottom, and then kind of just push it to the side. Most of if not all the adhesive is already gone. I'm just doing a quick once over. And then do the sides as well. Make sure that you didn't get anything on the sides, any adhesive. It's a pain in the butt to do all this removal and all this work, and then at the end, you look at the end result and there's adhesive that you left on the side. Don't want to do that. There we go. Let's start cutting. Brake box. Notice I have a brake box. I use brake boxes when I'm at the dealerships or not in my own personal shop. When I'm at my shop, blades either get thrown on the floor or in the trash, but you can't have that when you're mobile or you're in someone else's private garage or some, God forbid, you know, you leave a blade there and a kid walks on it, and then you're screwed. Be responsible with your blades. See. Oh, look. Perfect. Enough for this quarter. Stack it down. Cut it up. I don't know if you guys can see this because I am pretty close to the glass. That's pretty much done. No need to shrink on that one. Don't forget to break new blades every now and then, especially when you're cutting on glass. All I'm doing is rounding out these corners. Keep the place clean. These little bits right here, I just put them in my back pocket. Well, and I don't know if you heard that, but I tore my pants a little bit. All right, put that right here. So we scraped it, so now I'm just gonna give it a good once over. Good squeegee and flush out. Got a lucky no breeze when I was transferring the film. All right, so I've rolled it up, right? Again, I told you I'm doing a special one here. So what I do, especially on removals, the bottom inch or two could have old adhesive or trash. So I'm just gonna give it one quick squeegee, a small squeegee, wet it back down again, wet the film, and then I'll do my normal bottom load installation. That way I kind of minimize any trash that may have been on that bottom edge. Make sure you're spreading out, spreading out. I'm gonna spread the film out, especially considering you notice that I didn't shrink it, right? So I kind of want to spread it out like a, I think it's a Swedish flag. From the center out. That's what you want. Bam, that's beautiful right there. That's how it's done, ladies and gents. You know, when you get good, or you get a feeling for it, you can just peel the liner with your finger like that. Catch a corner and start peeling. Whoop-a. Got a little finger that wants to pop up. It just means I got a little bit too much film pushed in that area, so I'm going to spread it out. Remember, flag, Swedish flag. Spread it all out. So that's it. Stay tuned for more videos.